Hey guys, welcome to my product review of the 51-inch splash mat made by Womuman. Guys, as you can see, this covers a pretty large area. It's great for under high chairs or under, taller table and chair set. And as you can see, it has the non-slid grip at the bottom. I love it. It's amazing, guys. I've had this thing for 3 years, and I love the fact that I can just throw it in the washer whenever it gets dirty. We practically use this for everything from eating to painting to Play-Doh because I hate when the little bits of Play-Doh get everywhere. Arts and crafts, glue, everything. And I love the fact that it folds up so nicely, so it's very easy to store. The texture is very, very soft. And like I said, it's non-slip, so your kid's not gonna slip on it. So guys, if you are looking to contain that mess, I would definitely suggest you checking this out on Amazon.